guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing some organizing. Our linen closet, I did it about maybe a little over a year ago and it has stayed really well actually. So like the plan I put in place, the organizational systems, they all seem to work good, but you know, after a year it kind of starts to fall off. So I'm gonna show you what we're working with. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got a couple of different options to kind of try some things out, so we will see. But let me show you what it looks like. So up here we have all like medicines. We have no idea what we actually have. So there's like just a bunch of stuff back there. Again, more medicines, all different kinds of stuff, more alcohols, aloe, some, I don't know, a bunch of junk back there. And then random towels, sheets, more sheets, and I think there's also some tablecloths and things like that down there. So I'm excited. I have so much to organize and so much to do that I like didn't know where to start. So I thought that was a good place to start and go from there. I'm doing the entire kitchen, but I'm still waiting on a few organizational things that I ordered from Amazon that will be here in like a couple of days. So I got these from Target, and what I'm thinking is putting the kids' medicines all in one and putting ours all in one, so that way you can kind of see everything. They feel like they're just like the perfect shape. They're not gonna like fall out like the other ones do and all of that. So I thought that was good. I also got these cute baskets. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna use them in the linen closet or somewhere else, but I thought they were really cute and they were in the Target dollar spot. So, you know, if you don't buy something right away when you see it, it's gonna be gone. So I got 2 of those. I grabbed some more in case I wanted all like matching ones. So, oh, that's just a glass jar. So I got 4 for the closet, in case I want to put like the vitamins and all our other stuff in there as well. And then I got these to maybe put our towels in, or our sheets. I haven't decided if we really need these or if I even want them. But I figured I'd grab them because everyone in the world, along with me, is choosing to new year, new me, new organizing strategies and the whole thing. So like the entire organizational section of Target was totally picked over. So that is my plan for today. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing the entire kitchen. I got some new fridge stuff because my fridge, it doesn't look that bad. I guess, yeah, it does look kind of bad. Like the egg container sitting in there, there's no eggs in it. There's stuff behind, it's pretty bad. And then I got new organizing stuff for here. I was gonna get one of those cute little things that I saw everyone put their sandwich bags and stuff in. We very seldomly use sandwich bags. I do use parchment paper a lot, but like we don't use a lot of this stuff. We use a lot of these little containers, and I just got some more reusable bags, but we're using a lot of them right now. But we use a lot of reusable bags. So I figured I could probably just even get rid of those and put like them downstairs, and when we need them, get them. So I hope you like this video. I hope you consider subscribing if you are new. Comment down below. Let me know if there's a place in your house that you have questions about or you want me to organize. Like I said, the kitchen is next. I am so excited. I have to do the Lazy Susan. I think I'm gonna completely rearrange that, but that is a story for another day. But in the comments down below, let me know if there's something that you wanna see. I could have maybe already done it and I can link the video for you, or I may plan on doing it again as well. So thank you so much for watching, and let's get started.
I know that you are having a hard time right now.
So I figured the best way to do it was just to do it out on the dining room table where there's more space. So I've got everything laid out. I am going to organize everything into the bins, into categories, check all the dates because I'm sure there is tons of stuff that is expired and all of that. So that is first things first of what I'm gonna do.
That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. Best for you, for you.
this is where we are. It's so hard because the lighting, it's so dark and I have no plug that will reach this far to use my ring light. So, camera battery died. So we have our sheets down there. Right now, the shelf is empty. Then we have our towels, and then we have our hand towels and our washcloths in this little basket. And here we have our thermometer, we have rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, and an extra lotion. And here we have all extra toothbrushes, flosses, and toothbrush heads for our electric toothbrushes. We have flossers and a bunch of extra Band-Aids that I just put all in a big baggie back there. Then we have all first aid stuff. So we have, which I'm actually gonna pull this one out because it's just too much back there, and I'll put it in this one. So we've got like ace bandages, big bandages. The kids always get Band-Aids, so I didn't really, they looked neater when I put them in here, but there's like a bunch of just regular Band-Aids in here. Ear flushing tools if we need them. Sometimes Layton gets really bad like wax and stuff in her ears. We have hydrocortisone cream, we have Neosporin, all things like that. One of these thermometers in case we need it, and a bunch of just little antibiotic things if necessary. Then up here I moved some of my cleaning stuff to these. I think I might redo these shelves. They have like stains and spots and stuff on them, but a project for another day. I moved all my dusting stuff and some extra cleaning rags here. So I have my Swiffers, I have like the big one and then just the regular size one. All of the Swiffer reusable the Swiffer pads. Then I have my wood cleaning spray and then some carpet cleaner and my room sprays. And then in here I have adult medicine, I have kid medicine. Behind here is another bin with all of my like Christmas hand towels. I've got a ton of those. So I put those all in its own bin back behind there for next year. And here is pads and tampons. And here is like extra products and stuff that I have. Like my parents usually get me an Origins advent calendar every year. So I've got a bunch of like little soaps and face stuff and things like that. So all those extra small things are in there. And our heating pad. So that is looking pretty good. Some of these things are going to go into the garage. There's some trash mixed in here. I got rid of a good amount of stuff. This stuff is all extra stuff that can go in the garage. And then this blanket's going to go downstairs. This stuff is going to be put away with, oh, our pillowcase got mixed in. Better make sure none of the other pillowcases got thrown away. I got rid of an old set of sheets that we have. Layton just came home from school today. Austin stayed home, but Layton, it's like a trail everywhere she went. So I got rid of an old set of sheets that we've had for several years that have like a bunch of pilling. And there's a ton of outdated stuff there. And then we have an extra basket. I have a razor. I have this is just what I was cleaning with. And our old temperature taker thermometer thing. And then I was making my own hand soaps for a while. So as long as this is still good, I am going to do that very soon because I like making the handmade soap. So that is everything. It's just cleaning up the rest of this mess. And obviously I didn't need those baskets, so I think I will just return those because I actually found in the garage a few other baskets that I could totally use. So that is it, and that didn't take me long at all. It was only 3:30 and I got late off the bus, hung out with her for a few minutes and all that. So it is really, ooh, the lighting. It really didn't take long at all. So I am so excited. I really want to like start on another project and like jump into doing something else, but I am not. I'm gonna go edit. I have a cleaning video to edit. I have a few other things to do, but I have so much cleaning and organizing and all of that coming up. I hope you guys consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, like I didn't video all of it, like me putting the stuff inside, but I figured you couldn't get a good angle if I did it like from here. I'm in the way, and if I do it from here, you can't see what I'm doing because I'm also in the way. So I'm gonna go do my little bit of cleanup, and then I need to figure out dinner. I think we might have chicken Caesar salads maybe, or buffalo chicken wraps, either one. I'll probably have a salad and the kids will have some sort of wrap, but that is, what are you doing, pretty girl?
A game.
She's doing a game. What are you doing? Lexia. Our school has Lexia. It's like a learning game app and she loves it. She's so excited to like get on all the different levels and like all that. She's so cute. So that is it. This bathroom needs some major reorganizing as well, but I'm making a list and I will get them all done and checked off my list. So thank you guys. Oh, you're almost on level 4? You're amazing. I hope you guys consider subscribing. Like I said, so much coming up. So don't miss anything. Hit that little notification bell so you know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.